HowWoww, exploring life's amazements.
Hello, dear friends. Are you struggling with a voiceover for your videos? Don't worry. You've landed on the right video. Don't skip a second and watch it until the end, as every part of this tutorial is essential. In this video, we will unlock the premium features of MURF AI. One of the best online text-to-speech voice generators. You will learn how to create an account, generate premium quality voice, secret trick to download for free, and use this tool indefinitely in just 4 simple steps. Let's begin. Step 1. Creating a temporary Gmail account. To access MURF AI's premium features for free, we'll need to create a temporary disposable Gmail account. Visit mailnator.com. On this page, you'll see 4 blue buttons. Deactivate all except the Gmail button. Click Generate New. New temporary Gmail address will appear in the upper box. Copy this temporary Gmail and click Go. It will open a mailbox interface. Keep this mailbox window open for account verification. Step 2. Creating MURF AI account. Now open a new tab. Go to MURF AI. Click Sign Up and deselect the notification checkbox. Paste the temporary Gmail, create a password, and click Sign Up. You'll receive a verification link in your temporary Gmail and verify your new MURF AI account. Once verified, click Continue. Continue by entering your name and choosing your type of work. Click Create Workspace. Or after clicking Continue, if it redirects you to the account main page, then select Create Project. Rename it, select your type of work, and click Create Project again. Step 3. Converting text to speech. In the blank text box, type or paste your script, or upload a ready script from your PC. A script preferences window will appear. Configure them as needed, and click Import Script. To choose various voice options, click Explore AI Voices on the left side menu. You can change languages, gender, age group, use case, and select Professional Voice. Now click the Generate Audio icon. You can also adjust the voice mode, pitch, speed, and add pauses as needed. Step 4. How to download. This step is crucial and core of the video, so please don't skip it. After generating your voice, don't click Export, it'll ask for an upgrade. However, I'll reveal a secret trick to bypass this. But please remember, it's for educational purposes only. Before revealing the secret tricks, dear friends, I kindly ask for your support in subscribing to my channel and giving it a thumbs up. Additionally, your likes, shares, and comments are greatly appreciated. Close the upgrade plan window. Right-click anywhere on the page. Select Inspect in the pop-up menu. Go to Network, then Media. Click Build Preview and Play. To reveal the MP3 media of the generated voice, double-click it, and a media player will open in a new tab. Right-click to save audio as, to save it to your preferred location. That's That's it. Your premium quality voiceover generated from text is now saved on your computer.
Wait a minute!
Bonus tip. By pausing time limit. In MURF AI Studio, free accounts have a 10-minute text-to-speech limit.
What?
Don't worry. Just log out and start the process again with a new temporary Gmail. That's how you can use it for unlimited time.
इसी के साथ आज की मजदूरी यहीं खत्म करते हैं। अगर तुम्हें वीडियो पसंद आई तो लाइक मारो यार। मुझे नहीं पता, मुझे लाइक्स चाहिए कैसे ना कैसे करके, मुझे चाहिए। इतना झिला मैं कभी नहीं होऊंगा अपनी पूरी जिंदगी में जितना इसमें झिला हूं। मुझे चाहिए ही चाहिए, तो लाइक मारो। और अगर तुम लोग नए हो तो सब्सक्राइब करो। वो जो लाल वाला बटन है उस पर फूल फेंक के मारो या फिर मोमबत्ती, मुझे नहीं पता, बस क्लिक हो जाना चाहिए। अब मैं भी जा रहा हूं, मुझे पैसों के पीछे भागना है। बाय।